In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Keap. Importing contacts into Keap is a pretty simple process, but before you upload anything, the most important part is making sure your data is clean and properly prepared. A well-organized file helps prevent errors, keeps your contact list accurate, and makes the import much smoother from start to finish. To begin, log into your Keap account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your Contacts area and click on Import Contacts. This will open the import tool where you can choose how you want to bring your data into the platform. For this walkthrough, select My Spreadsheet. Keap also gives you the option to import from popular apps like Google Contacts, Constant Contact, HubSpot, and others. But if your contact list is saved on your computer, the spreadsheet option is the one you'll use. Next, click the area that says Upload your file here and choose your file. Keap supports CSV, XLSX, and XLS formats, so make sure your spreadsheet is saved in one of those file types before you begin. Now, this is where preparation really matters. Before uploading your file, take a moment to review it carefully. Check for duplicate contacts, empty rows, and empty columns. Make sure email addresses and phone numbers are formatted correctly, and remove any unnecessary information that doesn't need to be imported. Also, confirm that your column headers are accurate and clearly describe the data beneath them. If your spreadsheet includes dates, make sure those date formats are consistent. Cleaning your file ahead of time can save you a lot of troubleshooting later. After the file uploads, click Next. Keap will then show you the field mapping screen. This is where you confirm that each column in your spreadsheet matches the correct field in Keap. If something doesn't map automatically, you can assign it manually. And if your spreadsheet contains information that doesn't fit into a standard Keap field, you can create a custom field right during the mapping process. Once that's done, you'll be asked whether these contacts are expecting marketing emails from you. If they are, click Yes. This step is important for keeping your email marketing permissions aligned with Keap's setup. Finally, click Finish Import to complete the process. One helpful tip before you wrap up: don't import more than 5,000 contacts at once. If your list is larger, split it into smaller batches and import them separately. That makes the process easier to manage and helps avoid issues with large uploads. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Keap. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.